Guys, look at this light. Look at how beautiful I'm lit. One light coming from right here. The Godox VL300. Oh, this is just sexy. And what's it at? 60%. Yeah. Love it, love it, love it. 850, I think it's 850 US dollars. Beautiful light. And of course, I'm pumping it right now through the Godox. No, not the Godox. It's a Photex. It's a Photex. I think it's a 105 centimeter beauty box. It's amazing. I'll put the descriptions below. But this video is about the VL300. It is literally almost one third of the price of the Aputure 300, and it's beautiful, man. Very low noise, really light, and seriously, I can't say enough about this particular light. And I'm not sponsored by Godox, so please don't think the hype is all about me getting a sponsored video. Well, if they want to sponsor me, that's different. But the point is, I love this light. It was a great investment, and I think that anyone who's looking to produce fine videos, especially to overpower some of the real hot sun. I live in Dubai, and sometimes I take this light outside, and it really does an amazing job. So definitely worth the investment. Some more of the specs that I got to share with you guys are, one, it's Bowen Mount, so you can get tons of modifiers for this baby. Second, it's daylight calibrated to 5600 Kelvin. It has the dimming capability from 0 to 100 in increments of 1/10 of power. It has a power brick, but also it's capable of holding 2 V-mount batteries. Now I gotta add, these 2 V-mount batteries only give you power to 90%. And you can control this baby via Bluetooth. It has an amazing silent fan that you can easily use for videos like this. I mean, right now it's around, I would say 6 feet and meters. It's around 2 meters away from me. And there's absolutely no sound. If you're hearing any sound, it's actually the AC in my living room. But there's absolutely no sound from this baby at all. So guys, I can't say enough about it. The downside, I gotta add this. The downside to it is the fact that it has these 2 attachments. You got the brick, which can hold the 2, and I'm looking over at it. It can hold the 2 V-mount batteries, and it's also the controller, like you see here, but also has the power bank attached to that as well. So these 2 pieces makes it a bit bulky, but it does come with its own case, and it's pretty compact, and it's really light to carry. So I would highly recommend this light. This, for me, was an upgrade from the was it the SL60 that I've used for most of my YouTube videos. But and I still use that light. It's awesome. But for this, I can use it for making products. I can do food photography, whether it's video or still photos. It can be used with a nice soft box, mimicking a nice stream of light coming in from the window. So yeah, there's a lot you can do with it. So here's some samples, and guys, nothing else really. I want to keep this video short. Subscribe to my channel, and yeah, let's talk. If you have any questions, or if you're interested in purchasing this light, please click on the link below. It's my associated link for Amazon, and you can buy it for the same price. Okay, until next time, I'll see you soon. Cheers.